President Bongbong Marcos asserts that the successful declogging and desilting of waterways and drainage systems in Metro Manila are expected to resolve flooding by up to 60%. He led the simultaneous launch of Oplan Contra Baha Greater Metro Manila in Barangay San Dionisio, Parañaque City on Wednesday, November 12. Under this program, regular cleaning and declogging activities will be implemented in the region's waterways and drainage systems. The program covers approximately 142 kilometers of rivers, creeks, and esteros and 333 kilometers of drainage systems in Metro Manila.
Ang estimate ng ating mga scientifico ay sabi nila mababawasan ng up to 60% ang pagbaha kung ito ay maging maayos na. Mas mababawasan pa ang baha pag naayos natin ang mga pumping station.
Marcos notes that this project marks the beginning of a very wide-ranging program aimed at addressing flooding, particularly in highly urbanized cities and provinces. Under the first phase of Oplan Contra Baha, at least 3 meters of desiltation will be conducted to ensure the smooth flow of water.
We will continue to do this first part of the Oplan hanggang July of next year. Ng mga 9 months ito, hindi namin titigilan. Ngunit, even after that 9 months, ay patuloy lang, regular na ang paglinis, pag-desiltation, paglinis ng basura, lahat ito ay patuloy natin gagawin. Hindi natin pwedeng tigilan dahil alam naman natin umiipon pa.
The president also laments the improper placement of pumping stations, which he says causes blockages in waterways. Meanwhile, Marcos reveals that some of the equipment currently being used for declogging operations had been sitting unused for years.
7 years ago, nakatenga lang dun sa warehouse nila ng DPWs at never nagamit. Dahil kailangan daw itago for the big one. Pero ito na yata yung big one when it comes to flooding. Ano pang inaantay natin? Kaya ilabas na natin lahat, gagamitin natin lahat yan. Plus, merong augmentation from, again, the private sector at marami naman silang equipment. And of course, with the approval and the cooperation of our LGUs.
Issues related to alleged corruption in infrastructure and flood control projects currently plague the Philippine government. Marcos established the Independent Commission for Infrastructure to investigate all public works projects undertaken over the past decade.